Want to keep your home and car clean and organized with ease? Then today's video is just for you. We've got 5 amazing Amazon gadgets that will make your daily life so much easier. From a smart key finder to a furniture mover, a portable spot cleaner, a flat mop system, and even a car seat gap filler, this list has it all. Let's dive in and see which one could be your next favorite tool.
Number 1.
Always losing your keys or wallet? Meet your new solution. Imagine searching for your keys before work. Stressful, right? With Reika Keyfinder, just press a button to locate anything. No smartphone or app needed, just pure instant convenience. Attach the color-coded receivers to keys, wallets, remotes, or even pets. Press the matching button on the transmitter. Hear a loud 80-die beep. The built-in LED flashlight helps you find items in the dark. Enjoy up to 131 feet of tracking range, even through walls and doors. Premium batteries included. No frequent replacements required. Perfect for busy families, pet owners, or seniors at home. Large, easy-to-press buttons make it simple for everyone. Never worry about lost valuables again. Peace of mind every day. Sleek, compact design fits any lifestyle or household. Stop wasting time searching. Upgrade your daily routine now. Get the Reika Keyfinder and keep what matters always within reach. Order today. Make lost items a thing of the past.
Number 2.
Struggling to move heavy furniture? Meet your new solution. Imagine easily rearranging your living room, solo and stress-free. This upgraded large furniture dolly set handles up to 3474 LLBs. 5 360-degree rotatable rubber wheels glide smoothly on any surface. Heavy-duty carbon steel panel resists deformation and damage. Reinforced steel base and widened wheels protect your floors. Longer carbon steel pry bar lifts objects with minimal effort. Self-adhesive anti-slip pads keep items secure during lifting. Flannel and rubber mats prevent scratches and slipping. L-shaped retaining edge and locking switches add extra safety. 5th center wheel boosts load bearing and stability. Comes with gloves, spacers, and a handy storage bag. Perfect for beds, sofas, appliances, and more on any floor. Transform moving day, save time, protect your home, avoid injury. Upgrade your moving game. Get the ultimate dolly set today.
Number 3.
Pet stains and spills, always at the worst moments. Tough spots on carpets and couches just won't budge. Dragging out heavy cleaners wastes your precious time. You want a quick, powerful fix without the hassle. Meet the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner. Powerful suction lifts deep, set in stains in minutes. Lightweight and compact, grab it, clean, and store easily. Versatile tools erase pet messes and tough dirt fast. The 2-in-1 pet tool targets stubborn, smelly stains. A 4-lush stain tool tackles embedded dirt on carpets and stairs. Kink-free hose gives you extra reach for tricky spots. Built-in hose rinse means cleanup is quick and simple. Before, stains and odors linger, making rooms feel dirty. After, carpets and upholstery look and smell fresh again. Spend less time cleaning, more time living. Try Dirt Devil Spot Cleaner, your 5-minute cleaning solution.
Number 4.
Tired of mopping with dirty water? Upgrade your clean today. Imagine sparkling floors, every swipe with fresh water. Meet the Oar H2 Pro flat mop system. Compact, powerful, smart. Dual tank design keeps clean and dirty water 100% separate. No more cross-contamination. Every pass uses only clean water. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or busy households. Easy to store. Just fill the detachable tank at your sink. Add cleaner if you like. Powerful built-in jets evenly soak the mop pad. No batteries needed. Extra wide mop head covers more floor. Cleans faster. Telescopic handle extends up to 56 inches. Reach under furniture easily. Machine washable, reusable microfiber pad. Eco-friendly and cost-saving. Safe on wood, vinyl, tile, baseboards, even walls. Lightweight, slim profile, carry room to room with ease. Customize your clean with your favorite solution or just water. Experience a deep, streak-free clean every time. Ready for an upgraded cleaning routine? Try Oar H2 Pro now.
Number 5.
Tired of losing keys and coins between your seats? Meet the Giveive 3-in-1 Car Seat Gap Filler. Perfect for daily commutes, family trips, or ride shares. No more digging under seats for lost items. Blocks the gap between seat and console, 100% coverage. Acts as a gap stopper, organizer, and drink hook, all in one. Store phones, wallets, coins, and keep essentials within reach. Innovative ring design keeps drinks and bags upright. 180 degrees flip-friendly. Switch between classic and functional sides. Made from upgraded high-density foam, soft, durable, washable. Universal fit for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Installs in seconds, moves with your seat. No readjustment needed. Protects your car's interior. No scratches, no damage. Enjoy a clutter-free, safer, and more organized drive. Upgrade your ride. Get the Giveive Car Seat Gap Filler today.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.